Welcome to Anglia Car Auctions. Now, everybody loves a fast forward, but not everybody has the certain set of skills and enthusiasm needed to restore one. Now, this example, it's a 1977 Ford Escort RS 2000, is in need of help. It has been off the road since about 1989, many decades. As you can see quite clearly, time has not been overly kind to it. But we've seen cars in far worse condition than this brought back to their original sort of factory condition. They've been restored, some have been modified, some have been kept original. What would you do with this? Is this something that you feel you could restore? We're going to be selling it on Saturday and Sunday, the 14th and 15th of June. Do you want to get your overalls on? Do you want to get your work boots on? Get the welder out and use yourself probably for the next year or two in your garage or workshop at home. We'd love to hear from you. If you've restored a car in a similar condition to this, show us a picture before and after. It would be great to see. I think this, I mean, look inside, it's all in a piece. It's not gone beyond salvation. Looks great, but you're going to need to be very brave, very enthusiastic, and you're going to need to, most importantly, have far more skills than me in restoring cars. So let's see where it goes.